welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 4 tools to share with you. Our first tool is Lisle Corporation's Brake Spring Fork, which easily removes and replaces the S-cam return spring. The tip design cradles the return spring to keep it from sliding off. Next is a Platinum 399 from Thinkcar, which features upgraded hardware that includes a 14-inch screen, octa-core processor, docking station, and 4-channel oscilloscope. Our third tool is the Atlas 8-piece floor panel set, which is ideal for use with 8,000-pound capacity lifts with 37.25-inch gap between the gaps and a runway thickness of 4 inches. Finally, our last tool is the Milwaukee Tool drive-click torque wrenches, which are available in a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive with easy adjustments and high contrast markings. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piqued your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.